This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning and good evening based on your locality. So myself, I am Nagarjuna
Good morning.
Vadlakonda. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning to all.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, Naga.
Good
Hi,
morning.
good morning. So yes, first about myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I have a total 10 years of IT experience. Special, I am working on the scripting point, Azure Cloud and AWS. I'm working on different cloud environments. So especially this batch having a different one. It is a batch number 41 and 42. Batch number is 41 and 42. Usually every batch duration is 2 months. Every batch. Here demo is 10:30. I mean today, but regular timings are one is morning 8 a.m. IST and second one is 7:30 p.m. IST. So for day we have a two batches. For this is fixed for coming 2 months. Coming 2 months. So duration is hardly 50 to 53 days. So you can consider that is a 60 days. So daily 1 hour session, that is Monday to Friday, and daily 1 hour. So here one benefit is you're unable to hear. Yes, please. I think this is attend 13 name. I can able to see your name as attendance 13. Yes, please log out and log in. See guys, one benefit here. Every day I will teach same topic in the morning and evening. So the thing is, yes, you can attend completely for morning batch, either completely for evening batch, not a problem. Even if you have a shift rotations if you have first 15 days, for example, you have a morning shift, that time you can attend evening. If you have an evening shift, that time vice versa, you can attend for the morning. So same link and same link for the morning and evening, and I will forward to you after every live session. I will forward to you live, I mean recorded sessions also. You don't have to think about the recorded sessions, notes and scripts that you will get with I mean with a daily folder. I mean every day I will forward to you one folder. I will collect your mail IDs. Actually, after the registration, I will add your numbers to one WhatsApp group. Actually, that is the thing. From there, I will communicate and I will pick up your mail IDs and I will share to you the drive link, everything. Okay, this is about the timings only. Just observe. I mean, this is a complete course fees is 2000. This is the last batch with 2000. So next batch onwards, it's a different. It is a complete course fees. I mean, complete 53 days or 50 days duration course. 50 days duration course fees only. It is not. There is no extra charges. You can attend either morning or evening. Daily recordings also you will get. For example, just I will show you the running batch information. Probably 8 a.m. batch. Already, I mean, presently it is running batch. So like after every live session, I mean, every live session, like for example, one project is there. So that project related notes and scripts, everything you will get after every live session. So like that here, for example, this is a MP3 for video and related script and the next related history, whatever the commands we are using, and one more script to PS1. Okay, just give me first of all a 20 to 30 minutes time related to my course content. Sir, who are eligible to learn this one? Sir, you are planning for learning Azure Cloud. You are planning to learn Azure Cloud. Already you are working on any environment, maybe AWS or any Windows environment or DevOps or Office 365, SQL Server, specially added content. That topic is added here as VMware related. Yes, so whatever your target, so if you want to automate your requirements, automation of your daily activities. So whatever that, but see, not only about things, sir, whatever your requirements, not only Windows platforms also. Why? Because this now it is too much famous. Already PowerShell is available 2006, but now it is too much famous from 2006 to today. Yes, from 2016, after almost end of 2016, PowerShell scripting language is too much famous. Why? Because it is available not only on Windows, it is also available on other operating systems also. That's why that is nothing but cross-platform supporting option is there. If you take the same options are available, second one is a Python only. If you take the shell script only for Linux, but PowerShell is available on Windows platforms and other operating systems. I mean, end of 2016, they announced as a open source. Microsoft announced as a open source. Sir, this course I am going to start. Yes, you are trying to learn Azure or whatever that one. Yes, your target is automation. Really, with believe me, with Azure, for example, if you take Azure Cloud. So learning the portal activity, for example, you are trying to learn Azure. See, for example, in this portal, everything we will learn. In this portal, everything we will learn. Almost, if I bring a non-IT people, that people, I mean, that person easily learn that PowerShell, the complete Azure cloud terminology and services, whatever that, hardly 2 months. But it can't survive. Believe me, this one. You need additionally something. You need a speciality. That is whatever that one. You should good at another component. You should good at command. See, very less profiles are available with automation. There is very less profiles are available. Even if you search with PowerShell, there is very less. But really, just give me 50 days time, 50 days time to, I mean, learn this technology. Really, we can create the magics. I'm going to start this completely from the scratch. Believe me, like from the zero. Even you can consider this a -1 also. I'm going to start from the zero. From the zero, there is no doubt. So what is a command and other things, I will start in that way. For example, instead of my words, you can take one example of the running batch. This is a running batch recorded session. Oh, I think only one session. Okay, I think due to space issue, I deleted some of them. Okay, 7:30 batch. Okay, this is available entire things. Take day one. In that one, day one session I am taking. See how I'm going to start. I mean, completely from the scratch. We don't know today. We are completely zero in this technology. Then how to learn this one?
Conference.
See from the beginning.
And if I am here to again, sir. See, come to the start button, type to properly with OS. See, external applications. Based on that external application, the module font will be different. Please execute the same thing on your machine. Without spaces, you have to type, sir.
I mean, I am going to start from like alphabet A and B like that. I want to start from ABC like that. That is my main plan. What is a command? So here you can consider this scripting language in 2 levels. Your target is automation. Yes, you need to consider 2 levels. First one, learn the commandlets. First, we should learn the commands. Commands, simply we will call commands. By the commands, we can create the script. We can create the scripts. We can create the scripts. This is the main target of the 50 days duration. I mean, 2 levels are there. First one, how to learn the commands, but we don't know anything in this day per day 1 0, but how to learn the commands. And by the commands, how to create the scripts. Like commands is nothing but you can consider alphabets in English. And like scripts is nothing but making sentences. Simply how to make the sentences. So that is a main plan, how to create and how to start. This is like comparing with English and how to start with the PowerShell. I mean, we are completely zero. For example, this is a we will call PowerShell console. We will call this is a PowerShell console. So how to execute different commands? Really, we don't know anything. Just I'm executing something. But how to start the journey? For example, I want to get some users information. Yes, I mean, we can get that user information in the GUI mode. GUI mode, it is easy. Anyone can get that GUI mode information. But my question is how to get the local users information. For example, today I know the command. For example, already I'm working on this environment almost 10 years. Yes, I know this command for the local server. But how the person coming for today is completely new to this technology. How to find out this is a proper command? How the users knows or the person knows is completely new to this technology. how to find out this one. That is the first target of our session. How to find out our required command, finding the proper command. For that, we will use alphabet A in this technology. So in the PowerShell, I'm comparing with alphabets A, B, C. The first alphabet is nothing but first command is a get command. So this will give you total list of available commands. For example, if you see in my machine, I have almost around 8,000 commands are there. 8,000 commands are there. But how to find out which is proper to or exactly required to my requirement? Is it possible to searching everything? No. But how to find out that one? Okay, 8,168 is there. But how to find out my required one? That is the first target. So that is the first concept we will start here. Okay, that is a we will use different type of wildcard characters and keywords we will use. See, we can create the new users, we can get the existing users, we can remove the users. Everything is possible. See, I'm going now. Local users are there. See, these are the local users. Just I'm executing. Already I have an idea. That's why I'm executing. But what is this one and what is this syntax? Why we should use hyphen? Everything is a question mark only here. So first journey we will start how to filter the objects. That is the first component. Then after we learn the technology how to filter the objects. For example, if I'm using get service or I mean running services and stop services, this is a one result. In this result, how to filter the objects? Second component. How to filter the objects after finding something means see in the above screen some objects are there which are starting with C. This we will call like property line. This one, property line, and everything we will call some objects. Just try to understand the terminology. I'm providing some minimum information to understand this demo session. Okay, in this one,
Sorry, sorry to interrupt you, sir.
so yes, Sajid, please
Yeah,
go ahead.
a small query before going. Is this shell scripting generic, like applied to both Microsoft as well as Linux?
Absolutely, I said that word. Yes, this
Yeah,
PowerShell.
yeah. Because when you are using command line, no, because this is particularly word used in only for Microsoft, and in Linux we use terminal mode. If you correct me if I'm wrong.
Absolutely, we can use it. Even I will create a Linux machine for your satisfaction. Give me 1 second. We will use the same PowerShell on the Linux. Give me 1 second. See how I'm going to create a machine. See how much the easy. So I'm going to use a line. I'm going to create a Linux machine. So let's say we'll use the same PowerShell on the Linux. No problem. See. So this is a one more thing. Like uh, yes, I'm using my Azure account, and the Azure account I'm going to create one Linux machine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Image is I'm going to use Red Hat Linux. See, that's all. These are the minimum. Okay, everything is new to you. It's like a Chinese movie. Very first time if we see, it seems to be like a Chinese movie only. But when we good at this technology, see, it's trying to create a Linux machine with minimum options I'm creating. Okay, in shortly, less than 2 minutes, it will give a machine for us to practice the Linux commands. Okay, here come back. So first technology, first one is we will start from like how to, we will start unknown to like learning, unknown to first step, unknown to learning something, learning PowerShell commands. First one, yes, it's a command line interface. Definitely it will have a commands. That commands we will learn. Second one is one of the biggest concept, that is a filtration of the result. Filtration of the result. I mean, when we execute any command, definitely, sir, this technology, whatever you are using, this technology is common for anything. So your target is SQL Server, your target is Azure Cloud. First 30 sessions are common, 30 to 35 sessions are common. For example, you are belongs to, sir, why I need to learn this one? If you have that question, see, for example, I will use the SQL Server. I think instance name is server 01. I think 1 second. I will confirm it. Yes. No, I think instance name is server instance. See, even I have some DBs on this particular instance. Okay, I'm sorry. The input is a server 01. Hold on. Yes, even whatever your technology, just believe me, whatever your technology, these are all are common. That first 35 sessions are very, very crucial for learning any type of automation. See, for example, this is a one. Two things are important to learn this technology. One is a regular participation, and second one is a solving the weekend assignments. Every weekend, even based on the topic also, you will get some question, but every weekend you will get first 6 weekends, you will get the assignments. That solution, I mean, you need to send the assignment. That is the first thing. Second one is a regular participation. So for example, see, in this output only, I want to get, for example, the tables or databases which are starting with M only. That is my requirement. In this result, table names are, I mean, database names are master, model, SBDB, sales, TempDB, XYZ is there. We created something. But in this result, I want to print only some tables. That table name should be starting with M character. Should be starting with M character. So for my question, what is eligible objects or eligible tables? How many are there here for my requirement out of 6? Only I want to print the tables which are starting with M character. M. How many are there in this result? 6 lines.
3.
3 is there. So how to do this type of filtration? That is a pipeline operator will do this activity. So that is we will do in the second level. See, I'm writing some operators and other things I'm writing. See, finally we are getting some result. But what is this one? Every component is important after the command. What is this pipeline? What is a var object? What is hyphen parameter? And what is a $_ variable? What is a dot operator? And what is a name? And nothing but property name. And like operator. Like that we have a 16 operators are there. Like operator, like we have a 16 operators are there. So this is a filtration is a second level. And just this filtration only will take 4 days, sir. Only filtration will take 4 days time to complete the filtration. Then after we have a comparison operators are there. See, I'm using like operator here, one of the like, this is a one of the like operator. So like we have a total 16 operators are there. It will take completely 8 days time to cover this one. And here I'm going to cover one huge concept, very big huge concept, that is a regular expressions, which is common for so many technologies. Karthik, 50 days, 50. So even the regular expression concept we will cover in this area, like how to use in Python, Linux, PowerShell, everything. I mean, anywhere this regular expression concept is in. So one of the batch is there. For that, I completed regular expression every day 1 hour only. Karthik. See guys, here this is a one running batch, modified content. These are all modified content. So this regular expression I took 4 hours. See how to do the filtration. For example, just take one example. I mean, this is a day 3 in the regular expression. See, we don't know what is the exact content, but see, somewhere we will listen.
If I write there 99, right side we should go, move to reach unit place 9 based on the previous explanation.
39.
39, then remaining area. Is it right? Step number 1 is correct. 107.
Yes.
Step number 2. Yes. Is it possible to write the pattern for 32 to 39? Yes. What about the 40 to 78? Is it possible to write the pattern for here? How to write the pattern? 4 to 7. And here 0 to 0 to
Karthik, I will upload that one.
8.
Wait.
8.
See, this is a one simple basics. I mean, how to start this one. But my explanation is always I will start with basics. But final ultimate target is, so this is a level, sir. See how to, For example, there is a one file is there. There is a one file is there. In that file, we have some IP addresses. One second, I will show you that file also. Somewhere we have. So how to extract the valid IPv4 addresses? How to, I mean, valid IPv4 address means IPv4 address is available A.B.C.D format. I mean, every value, either A or B or C or D value, any one of them 0 to 124. Yes. Kumar, please mute. 0 to 255. Any value. I mean, this area, any IP, any value will come. How to filter exactly valid IPv4 addresses? That is a one project I added in that one. So, I mean, related to regular expressions, I am talking. So this is not only for PowerShell. I mean, these only regular expressions. That content I added here. That is that component is added in this area here. In the PowerShell, we are going to get one more thing. That is a regular expressions. I added 3 hours, but it is more than 3. It is more than 3. Next one is to. I mean, just now you provided one answer starting with M. Related to databases. Similarly, how to check more than one condition at a time. Using more pipelines is not a good activity. But how to get more response, I mean more results with one pipeline operator. How to check more conditions at a time. That is see, for example, I'm providing, sir, please try to understand one thing. I'm moving little bit fast. Why? Because it is a demo session. I need to tell or explain to you what is the length or depth of the course. That's why I'm moving little bit speed, but reality is a completely interactive training. So 50 days, 50 days duration course is there. So don't worry about that. See, for example, I have some result. In this result, I want to get 2 things, sir. I want to get some lines, but the final lines here should be wherever we have this area stopped, and application name starting with A. That objects only I want to get. Now, for example, first line, see, it is running and it is starting with application. No, it is not satisfying my condition. So I don't want to get this object. Wherever status under stopped, display name starting with application, that objects I want to get. That is my requirement. That is my requirement. For that thing, how I am going to write that expression with help of the that concept I said, that is a logical operators. See, get -, service. See, that logical operator I'm going to use. Where -object, filter state, $_.status equals to running first, sorry, stopped, and I'm using $_. Display name starting with application. Sir, you don't worry about these things. Here inside of our course, we will learn these things, not here. In the demo, it is not possible to explain 50 hours content in 1 hour. See, these are 3 are satisfying my condition. 3 lines are 3 objects satisfying my given condition. So this is a level we will write. This is a level we will write. I mean, filtration, advanced filtration. One of the operator here I'm using. But when we should use that operator. And the next one, how to store a file result into a file. For example, I want to store. Yes, absolutely, Vinayaka. That is very simple. How to stop the service and start the service. For example, what is the status of the service? Running. How to start? I mean, if you want to stop the service, it's very simple. See, that is very simple. For your clarity, Vinayaka, I'm going to give one beautiful example in the scripting. This is a second layer. With the loops, we will use this concept. For example, I mean, you're asking for that. I'm giving the clarity. See, I'm going to write a beautiful alert script. I'm going to write a beautiful alert script. So, I mean, your question is how to stop the service and start the service. Not only that one. See, if one service is stopped by someone, I want to get an alert. WinRM service is one of the important, no? So I'm writing, see, this level of script. Simple thing. If it is running, no problem. Right? I'm simply writing some code. It is running. Yes, sir, don't worry about this one. This you will learn inside of the course only. So if someone is stopped that service, see, I want to get some alert also. I will create some alerts. I mean, even mail alerts also, Gmail alert. I want to get some frequency. I want to get 3 seconds. I want to get some alerts. Then immediately I want to start the service of WinRM. See, as of now, if I run the script, oh, somewhere we are missing this bracket. See, absolutely it is giving alert. Absolutely it is giving alert. See, it is giving alert. Just observe here. What is the status now? It is running. Just focus on this value. Focus on this value. Now, one user is there in your environment is trying to stop the service. Someone is trying to stop the service. Okay, I am stopping this service. Okay, then see, immediately it is getting alert. So automatically it is again came to the stop to running service. These are the small things, Vinayaka. Related to your question that we will see in the scripting part. That component we will see in the scripting part. Yes, the core component of this complete training is the first 35 sessions. First 35 sessions. First 35 sessions are too much important. Too much important. You never ever get this type of detailed information in any YouTube or other things. Completely changed content is available. Okay, come back to our content. Then after we will start. I mean, this is everything is not a one-day activity, sir. A lot of time it will take variables and data types. Then I will start the scripting. So before, I mean, up to 20 to 25 sessions, we will discuss commands. Then after, how to write a script. Script one file. How to write the script. There we will see like conditional statements, and one more conditional statement also there. That is a switch. Then after we need to understand break, continue, exit keywords, right? And then after we have a one mini project without coding knowledge. I mean, really, no need learn any other language. I won't call you should good at C language, you should good at Python. No, nothing is required. Just believe me. That's why I am saying to you, believe me, first 50 days. I mean, first just give me 2 to 3 days. You will get the depth of the course. Easily, you will get the depth of the course. So these are the conditional statement. We will see here real-time scripts and looping statements. Looping statements. One of the important one is a for each hyphen object. How to get the details from the remote servers. How to get the instead of writing that script in front of you, better to go through the like any one of the existing session. I mean, if I write the script, okay, I am good at that script, I can write, but those who are new here, definitely they will get some confusion. See how to write the script. For example, this is a WMA classes information. See, final script. Some script is there. It's a matter of 43, session number 43 only, but we are able to write this level of the script for single server only here. It is a matter of the single server. How to get the different property values. How to get the different property values for each and every computer. One computer internal details. Okay, script. Yes. I mean, yes, I'm talking about the single commands only. If you add commands in a if you add commands in a script in a proper order, that is a script file. Very simple thing. Very simple thing. See, the script still it is not working. Always it will monitor. Someone is stopped, immediately it will jump to the action. Immediately it will jump to the action. Again, it will print running. See. So more security, even if someone is stopped, it will create a log file and we will get that information in the event bureau. So next one, come back to here. So next one is about the how to send the file content into different file formats. CSV, HTML, JSON is there. Next, one of the biggest concept is functions. How to create our own function. Sir, up to here everything is common. Next, when we jump to the module, yes, now here your technology is different. Whatever your technology, that technology we need to install here. For example, your target is AWS, just install the AWS module. Yes, what is the command? Same journey. If you go to 30 to 35 session, these modules we can easily do that one. Without knowing 30 to 35 session, really it is sir, I am good at basics. No, I am saying this one. If you say I am good at basics in PowerShell, no sir, just attend first 2 to 3 sessions, you will get the clarity. So how many unknown things are there here? Yes, maybe you are good, but so many unknown things are there. And the next one, how to connect a remote servers from here. So do some activity. For example, I'm going to connect one remote servers. For example, let me try to connect one cloud machine. Domain level, it is easy. Domain level connectivity is easy. Already trusted relationship is there. See, I'm going to connect this machine. Okay, fine. From the PowerShell, I'm going to connect. Before that one, my computer name is server01. Okay. Kusto is a dedicated to Raghu. Kusto query language is dedicated to only Azure cloud. PowerShell is the scripting language. It supports all maximum, not see. It supports all platforms and it supports so many platforms. First point. Second one is so many technologies like Azure, AWS, SQL Server, Exchange Server, anything. So that is possible. See, I am going to connect a remote server. So there is a one command is there, one invoke command and enter PS session is there. But before that one, you have to check one service, that is what is the status of the WinRM. Now, previously running service, it is a Windows remote management is running or not. Now I'm trying to connect. Enter PS session and computer name is, this is the IP address. I have a standard credentials are there. Now see, you will get the prompt of the, if everything is correct, yes. See, serial number, how to get Venkat. Now see, this is a remote server information. Who am I? Who am I? See, it's a Windows server. It is a Windows server. Yes. How to get the BIOS information? Yes, that is one of the biggest concept is there. WMI objects. See, yes, this is answer for your question. Yes, Venkat, am I right? Venkat, am I right?
Yeah,
Yes,
but
this
I
is a
need the entire data. Example, if in my organization, if I have 1,000 of assets, is it possible to get all the 1,000 of assets monitor serial number?
that is a sixth loop I am saying here. Sixth loop is a sixth loop will helpful to us to connect the multiple servers with exception and multiple servers. How to connect multiple servers? This is a very simple thing. First, perform an activity on one server and pick up that files. And already we have that one. That component is added in our course. I mean, before entering into the file concept only, we will discuss that one. How to work on multiple server, not a single server. And this data I want to dump into one file. All 1,000 servers serial number I want to get in a one CSV file. Simple, very simple thing. Just same activity we need to perform on multiple servers. We need to perform multiple servers. Not only that one. In here, especially in the Linux, we have a yum utility is there. In the Windows also there is a one command line utility there. That is a Chaco. See, by there is a new technology. So how I'm going to install some software or package or any service on remote server? Just closely observe here. See, first of all, observe here. I am in my machine. Blue color screen is my machine. Where is this one? This is a cloud machine. Sorry, here. Actually, this is a cloud machine. See, I'm going to do some magics from my machine. Blue color screen. Uday, definitely I will take your questions. Yes, we can edit that one. Uday, definitely. I will come to your question. That's why lot of content is there. That's why I'm asking sometime. See how I'm going to do some. I'm going to install some software on my remote server. It seems to be installing on my local machine, but reality is different. It is executing, installing on remote server. Yes. See, identify this one whether it is installed successfully or not. I'm doing everything on remote machine, but it is my screen is my blue color screen is my laptop one. But whatever I'm executing, that is related to cloud machine only. Even if you have any doubt, just use operating system. Just observe here. Operating system information. This 10.0.190144 is there. Yes. Now, how to install something? Now, see, I'm going to install Chrome. Otherwise, Chrome. Okay, fine. Just see how I'm going to use a Chrome software on the remote computer? I think Google Chrome. I think name is a mistake. Google Chrome. So as of now, nothing. There is no Google Chrome on the screen. Just observe any software, especially. But how I'm going to install something from my local machine?
Which location it will download the software file, execute file?
This one. This is a default location. At the remote machine. Now it is installing. Now see, now shortly we will get some folder like what is that? Chrome. Any package, just example I'm providing.
So we should have the package. I think we should have the package or the system. Then only we can install it, right? Otherwise,
we
it's
need,
not going to download it from the internet, and it won't be able to do that. Is it?
yes, first we should go know the package of that particular software or service. Then only it will work, and then only it will install. See now maybe see what is that progress? Still it is in progress. Hold on. And one more beautiful service is there, like if you are working in Ansible, if you are working in Puppet, Chef, that all are configuration management tools. See, this is a one just to install now. Okay, now come back. This is a small thing only. Now, what I'm talking, yes, related to configuration management tool. So here, one of the service is there in the PowerShell, that is a DSC, desired state configuration, desired state configuration management tool is there. So it is I mean, it is only for Windows machines, for this service only. It is actually outside of the PowerShell. So what is the benefit here? Try to understand. Even it will take 2 to 3 minutes. For example, this is my master server. These are the slaves. If I copy one file from source to destination, master to slave, one file I will copy. Today, someone is deleted this file. Again, your DSC one component is there. DSC one component LCM. It will restore the file into version position. Always LCM will monitor on the remote server whether it is in the desired state or not. If I send one file, it is not a one activity. On remote server, locally, LCM is there, local configuration manager. Always it will monitor. Always it will monitor. Shall I write that script if you give 5 minutes time? Shall I write that script if I give 5 minutes time? I mean, it is completely new to you, but one benefit is there. Tomorrow someone is deleted that file. Yes, okay, just to give me some time. Sir, this is a part of our training only. Okay, just hold on. Sir, multi-line string as per it is there, multi-line string that all are available. You don't worry about the @ Your question is simple answer @ only. Multi-line strings. Okay, see, I'm going to write simple script for DSC. It is a new thing, so it is not PowerShell component. I added here. See, I will show you in the content also. Somewhere we have a DSC. Yes, here DSC is there. Here DSC is there. And complete real-time scripts we will discuss in the development objects. How to get the disk information and related to anything. For example, OS information, BIOS information, RAM information, everything we will get from here. For example, if you want to get the space information in your system, see, it's very simple. This is a one. It will give to you. This is remote machine space information and how to convert bytes into MBs and how to take for example, I want to pick up this value and how to convert into GBs, how to convert into GBC, how I'm going to do the filtration. The first object, see, this is a in BIOS. What is that? In the bytes. Now it is in GBs. Now if I write here, it is in KBs. If it is in MBs, we can convert into any format. We can convert into any format. Sir, like that, lot of things are added here. It is not possible to explain one session. Yes, finally, here after this one we will see Azure related modules, how to work with, and another one is a VMware and modules. We will discuss everything, whatever your requirement, especially Azure cloud related one and SQL server especially added SQL server modules and how to work with, and automation scripts, how to open a browser, and every day you are doing some activity, how to automate that one, For example, you need to create 100 files every day. How to create 100 files in a single shot? How to create 100 files in a single shot? Every day that is your activity. For instance, okay, I said DS, Okay, see, for example, you need to create 100 files every day. Okay, I'm going to create, for example, and the folder name should be also in the form of my requirement. I mean, in H drive. Today date is 13th November 2022. I want to create a folder. Every day I want to create a folder with this name. How to do this one? Very simple. Yes, Uday, there. Hold on. I will come to that area. Format. See how I am doing this one. I want to create 100 files. See how I'm going to create 100 files in a single shot. Nothing is required. Yes, your planning is any one of you trying to learn cloud technologies, already you are in that cloud or VMware, anything, really you will get the huge benefit. That is my promise. What is that? Okay, I'm going to create a file. See, simple run. Okay, it is creating beautiful, it's throwing beautiful error. What is that one? This folder is not there. 1 second, we should create now. Simple, see, it is created. I mean, totally I have 100 files. Go to that particular folder and open that file. So just we created 100 files in single shot, 11 o'clock 12 minutes we created. So whatever that automation work, how to do this automation, that is a finally we will see this. So it is a totally, I mean, up to model concept is everything is same, sir, for 30 to 35 days. Then we will add your technologies. Just to believe me, that 35 sessions will decide you, I mean, how much we are good at our required technology. And every batch I'm going to take 20 members per morning. 20, please keep on. 20 members only. That is the first 20 members I will take. Almost 8 registrations are over in the morning morning batch. And yes, and one more thing, even if, for example, try to understand. These are the important points. Sir. If, for example, you are missing this batch, you can also attend. I mean, it is not part after registration. After paying 2,000, you are unable to attend for this training. Yes. So it is not a institute, sir. It's my personal training. You can also attend for the next batch also. So many people also. I mean, in this training also, so many people are there. So guys, any one of you there? I'm not sure who is there here. In the out of 75 members, any one of you there of my previous training, just explore about the training. That is my. Yes.
Sir, Pramod.
Yes, Pramod. Yes. It is a 9:30 batch. Yes.
Hello. Am I
Yes. Could
audible?
you please? Yes. Pramod. Oh, you're yes audible. Could you please explain about our training?
Yes, actually, this training is really good. Actually, so I missed first demo session, so that's why I don't want to miss that. So I got opportunity to, attend this session. So thanks for Naga. Give me this opportunity. Guys, one thing I would like to say. So if you want to learn, from scratch, so like ABCD, so this is a good, good opportunity. Please don't miss it. And he's like a friend. If you have any doubts, instant only he will clarify, and he will cover pin to pin. As of now, I have attended 15 sessions, so still our session is going on. Maybe another 1.5 month we have journey. So yes, so it will be good. My suggestion, no, my piece of advice is here please don't miss this opportunity. So you will get more knowledge as part of technology. Yes,
Thank you.
that's
Thank
it.
you. So Active Directory also added, sir. I think I am getting some message from here. I think you may be not seeing this word. Here, Active Directory also added.
Hello.
Okay.
Naga,
Yeah.
I have one query, Jiten
Yes,
here.
yes.
So Naga, as you said, like 20 members would be there in one batch. So, and the timing would be, I mean, it's 1 hour batch, 1 hour timing,
Absolutely.
the class timing.
Yes.
So, would you be able to take every doubts and questions, queries from the candidate in 1 hour with
I'm
completing your that session, that day session?
absolutely it is possible. I am maintaining from last 3 years.
Yeah, yeah,
From,
because there are a lot of videos. I mean, sitting idle and with the mute
from
buttons, just
even
like
if
watching videos. So
even if you sit idle, I will push you in some questions. I will call by your name. I won't leave you. I mean alone in the live training. Definitely, I will call you with your name.
yeah,
Give me
yeah,
some
yeah.
answer. Some queries in the online session only. I will throw some questions. So, for
Yeah.
example, definitely you need some enthusiasm to learn this technology. Everything is from my end is little bit good, but you have to little bit at least 10%. What is that? You need to interact. Remaining 90%, I will add here. Definitely something you have to learn. So we need to open our mouth. That is important thing. But you don't think about 20 members, 20 doubts are is there. First of all, I'm saying this one. It is not a that you don't treat in another way. 99% I will give the explanation without doubts. 99% I will first, when I'm explaining one topic, first I cover all doubts and I will give the clarity. First, I will give perfect clarity explanation. Even though if anyone are not getting that one, I will repeat 2 or 3 times. That is the one benefit. So
Yeah, yeah.
don't worry.
Thanks, Naga, because one of the most reason to find out a trainer because of these interactive sessions, not the recorded trainings, be it paid or free. Whatever.
So many recordings. My recordings are, I mean, it's traveling in the, I mean, different FBs and WhatsApp. It is available, but that's why content is different. Interactive training. I mean, we have a GBs of
Yeah,
recordings are there, but what is the use? Yes, see, so many people.
yeah. No use
Yes,
of that. Yes.
some people, even though some people will ask that, give me recorded access. Already I registered for that batch. Okay, but see, recording just it will
So when
occupy
we
some.
can expect the recordings actually after the class? So for example, today is the class. Once after the class completion, when can we expect the recordings?
In 1.5 hours. In 1.5 hours.
Okay. Okay.
1.5 hours. This one. Like this. I mean,
Hello.
you will get two recordings. I mean, for example, 1 second. This is a PowerShell November, December, something. See, like that, I will give the access in this area. I will give the access in this area. So you will get a 8 a.m. batch as well as 7:30 batch. I mean, you don't know. You
So
don't
are we
know. I
allowed
will
to download this recordings or only from G Drive? From how it will be?
that type of fear I don't have. Yes, you can download it. You can use it.
Okay.
And
Excuse me, Karthik sir.
Hello, sir.
yes. Vinayak.
Hello,
Yes.
Karthik sir. Sajid here. Sorry to
Yes, sir. I have one question, sir.
Okay. First Vinayak. Yes, please go ahead. Then after Karthik.
Yes, sir. I'm currently working as desktop supporter, sir. This script